Looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at the certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Compass Altitude in white clear coat. With halogen quad headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, incandescent tail lamps, power 8-way driver's seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 20,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, rear 60/40 folding seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5109A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.